Hi guys, today we'll be solving the 10th days problem of March Lead Coding Challenge 2021. The problem's name is Integer to Roman. It is a simple problem, but it is listed as medium in Lead Coding Challenge. On Lead Code and problem section. You can go there and check it out. The link is in the description if you want to solve it even after the March Lead Coding Challenge is over or any day after that or anytime. So let's read the problem statement. Roman numerals are represented by 7 digits, 7 different symbols, I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Okay, and they've also given a table of tell us which alphabet represents which value. So I represents 1, V represents 5, X represents 10, L represents 50, C represents 100, D represents 500, and M represents 1000. And we are given examples below. But before that, let's read this. This is a very important part which we should not skip. We are given that suppose if we want to represent 4, we need to put 5 and 1 before that to represent 4. And in order to represent 6, we need to put 5 and 1 after V to represent 6. Similarly, we are given keys here and we'll make an array listing all the numbers possible, and below that we'll have a string of an array of strings with the values representing the same numbers which I've listed above on the same position. Let's try to do that first. I have written the code, that's deleted. So here I've listed all the integers that can be represented. 1000 is represented as M, 900 is represented as CM as it is written here. C can be placed before D and M to make 400 and 900. So for 900, we can write CM. Similarly, 500 we can represent it as D, 400 as CD, 100 as C, 90 as XC, 50 as L, 40 as XL, 10 as X, 9 as IX, 5 as V, 4 as IV, 1 as I. So now we'll be making a string builder because we don't know what string do we need to return, what is the length of the string. So hence we'll make a string builder called SB. Now we'll iterate through the whole array which has all the numbers which are originally there to represent the string of arrays. We started by 0 from the 0th position and we'll run it till array.length and we'll do I++. So here what we are doing is we are iterating through all the numbers present in the array and we check if num is greater than the given present value. So for example, let's take 1994. So here 1994 is greater than 1000. So we put M in the string to form the answer and then move further and remove 1000 from the string. So it might sound confusing. Let's try to code it. I guess you'll understand it better. While num is greater than arr.I. Till num is greater than arr.I, we'll keep adding the particular index of string to the final result, that is SB here. Num minus is equals to arr.I. Here, if we already add, just a second, I'll explain it to you better. SB dot append str dot I. So after we append M to the list in case of 1994, we remove 1000 from the total sum as we need to move ahead and try to understand what comes after M in the answer. So after removing 1000, we have 994. Let's understand how is 994 represented further. So again, num is not greater than arr.I if I is 0. So we'll move ahead. I is incremented. So I is 1 now, and the value of arri is 900. So 994 is greater than 900. So we'll remove 900 from the list, from the sum, and this will be the resultant. First we added m, then we added m and cm. MCM. Further, we check if 94 is greater than 900, which is not true. Then we incremented I again. So I is 2 now. So 94 is less than 500. So we again incremented I, again incremented I, again incremented I. So now I is 5. So 94 is greater than 90. So we remove 90 from the list, from the sum, and add it here. 9 is represented as 90 is represented as XC. Now we move ahead and try to check again. We increment I such that I is equals to 4. And we'll check if I is greater. So now we have made a mistake here. It should be num greater than equal to ARRI to have the correct answer. So now as we remove 4, the answer is 0 and our final answer is MCM XC and 4 IB. That should be our answer according to the dry run. Let's try to submit it and see what happens. Okay, so this is, yeah, return sb dot string. As this is a string builder, we need to convert it to string in order to return it because the return type is string mentioned here. If we run 6, the answer is 6. If we run 1994, the answer is correct. Let's try to submit it. The answer is accepted. I hope you guys understood. See you again tomorrow. Thank you.